God.
Ordained by God. Ordained is like जैसे मसा किया जाता
Yeah.
है. It's not something like a really small
Anointed.
thing.
Yeah.
And it's divinely ordained actually. God himself जो है, he ordained that covenant, and it is always between a man and a woman. There is no other choice. Established by God. Who established it? By God. For companionship. उसमें लिखा हुआ है ना बाइबल में कि जब उसने आदम को अकेला देखा, then he thought there should be a companion. Or mutual help, so they can help each other. They must have a strong agape, not agape, rather romantic and every kind of love. So this brings a foundation for a family. तो जो कभी भी अगर आप देखते हैं कि कोई भी एक like one thing I understand कि you always speak for the truth.